Hi Tesla fans, I'm Elie with T Sportline. We're out of the shop today because we just finished completing T Largo Founders Edition number 2 of 2. This one is really special and I want to share with you step by step exactly what we did to make this particular T Largo one like we have never done before. So starting off with the front of the car, you know, the T Largo package is all about a wide body program. We actually make this car substantially wider, yet still we use the factory Tesla 22-inch tire with special mounting hardware and our limited edition 20-spoke wheels to go ahead and make sure it sits and looks really great. But now let's get back to the actual wide body parts. The front lower apron is made completely of carbon fiber, and so is the whole T Largo program. But on this particular Model X, we did not expose all the carbon. We actually painted about half of it body color. So the front lower apron, it's gloss carbon fiber. We left it as is. But then one of the most important parts about the T Largo program is actually the front and rear wheel arches, or Fender Flares. And as you can see, they're in two pieces, and we actually painted them pearl white to match the car. I actually really like this look. I think it looks a little bit more aggressive, and it's different from what we've done in the past. Now, the side skirts were also carbon fiber, and we painted most of it pearl white, but we left the insert gloss carbon because that looks cool, and we want to go ahead and help transition that carbon fiber appearance from the front to the sides, and now we'll go to the rear. The rear wheel arches have also been painted body color, as you can see. And now when we actually go to the back end of the Model X, the wing is now all gloss carbon fiber. And my favorite part is the rear diffuser. Partially painted on the sides, but keeping the whole center area gloss carbon is really sporty. I like this aggressive look. It's super cool. The wheels were finished for the first time ever in kind of a satin bronze finish, something that we've never done before. Most people do black. I think this is different, and we wanted to go ahead and share that with you. Now, let's talk about the chrome delete. Well, you know, chrome delete is something we do every day at T Sportline, and usually it's done using 3M vinyl film. In this particular instance, and on this build, we took it to a whole other level, and that's because we actually painted all the chrome trim, gloss black around the windows, the mirrors, the side mirror caps also were painted gloss black. The front and rear T's were painted. We did the front T in red, we did the rear T in black. That's kind of fun. And then the door handles were also painted, but we painted them body color because we wanted it to have that appearance like as if there are no door handles. We didn't want to call any attention to that. So that's why these went white as opposed to black. So this is the complete exterior T Largo Founders Edition, number 2 of 2, as you can see here. Now let's go on inside and I'll share with you some other upgrades that we did. Okay, so welcome to the inside of this Model X, and let me share with you exactly what we did. We love carbon fiber at T Sportline, and even though this car came with the factory satin carbon fiber dash decor, we're all about that gloss finish. We prefer, and I personally do as well, the gloss carbon fiber finish. So we changed out the dash pieces, the center console sliding door, the cup holder area, all the door trims to gloss carbon fiber. And then we took it one step further and we made the steering wheel also gloss carbon fiber top and bottom, and the flip door, which is normally just black plastic, that's also gloss carbon, and that matches the sliding door. So this is what we did to the interior. Of course, we always, on a T Largo, we badge it with what number it is in the carbon fiber, or in the dash decor. So you can see that on the passenger side, it says Founders Edition 2 of 2. So Tesla fans, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed already to our YouTube channel, please do so. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.